The Garden of Little Loves by Jade Maître. Elena loved visiting the plant nursery near her house. She always thought it was such a beautiful, happy place to visit. The tall trees made the paths shady, and there were little tinkling bells which hung from branches. There were water fountains where the birds played. Different plants were arranged in different places. Some plants, like ferns, liked warm and shady spots. Some plants, like tomatoes, liked the heat and sun. On days when they visited the nursery, Elena would have a hot chocolate and Mama would have a tea. Then they would load the plants they bought into the back of the car. When they got back home, they would spend the next few hours planting the new plants into the earth. It was hard work, but Elena always felt good at the end of the day. But one day when they were shopping for food at the grocery store, Elena noticed something surprising. There were plants being sold at the grocery store. They were sad little plants. They looked thirsty and the leaves were brown and drooped. Someone had scratched out their prices and made them almost free. "Nobody wants to buy a plant that isn't pretty," said Elena's mama. Elena felt strange about that. She touched the plant closest to her, a little potted coriander. It only had a few sprouts. "Does it matter that this plant isn't pretty?" thought Elena to herself. "They are alive, and maybe they just need someone to love them." "Mama," said Elena, "can we please take some of these home? I want to make a garden of tiny plants. I know how to love them." "They will probably die," said Mama. "They've not seen sun or fresh air for a long time." "Please," said Elena. She held the little pot close to her heart. "I would just like to try." Mama agreed. Elena took 3 of them, a coriander plant, a basil, and a viola. Back at home, Elena carefully read the care instructions on each ticket. Basil and coriander liked the sun. The viola liked the shade. She chose where each plant would go in the garden. Next, it was time to repot them in larger pots with healthy soil that contained fertilizer and nutrients that the plants would like. First, she gently squeezed each pot and eased the plant out. She used a finger to softly rub all the roots free of the shape of the old pot, so the plants would know they were allowed to spread out in their new home. Next, she put each plant in its new pot on a bed of new earth and covered it over with more fresh soil. Happy roots like to spread out and taste the soil. Finally, she watered each of them down so they were not thirsty anymore. The plants thought it was rain and quivered as though they were being hugged by the droplets that fell gently upon them. Every morning and evening, Elena checked her little loves in the garden. She called it her Garden of Little Loves because the plants were little and she loved them. But over time, with water, sunlight and love, all 3 plants were happy and grown. Just like Elena. The end.
Storyberries.